The 2025 Lexus UX 300 Hours is a compact luxury SUV that redefines the class by combining power, efficiency, and elegant design. The UX 300 Hours, the smallest SUV in Lexus's portfolio, is a reasonably priced yet well-equipped choice for people who find the more expensive and bigger NX and RX models too bulky or exorbitant. The hybrid drivetrain in this year's model is more potent, ensuring that performance does not compromise fuel efficiency. Sophisticated drivers will find the UX 300 Hours to be an appealing option thanks to its many opulent amenities and improved driving aids. Overview: the entry-level Lexus model is the small UX SUV, which provides consumers with a reasonably priced, well-equipped, and fuel-efficient car. The Lexus UX may be the right model for you if the Lexus NX and RX SUVs are too large or pricey. Positive news has also been announced for the 2025 model year. The new UX 300 Hours model has more power without sacrificing fuel efficiency. It replaces the previous 250 Hours model and features a new hybrid drivetrain. A few upgrades to the numerous sophisticated driving aids ought to also help the UX become somewhat more competitive. Edmunds highlight: a little bit better efficiency but greater power. The poor acceleration of the prior UX was our main grievance. The UX 250 Hours' excellent fuel economy is a tiny comfort considering that it only just managed to reach 60 miles per hour in 10 seconds during our instrumented testing. With the new hybrid powertrain for 2025, Lexus has increased the combined output of the UX from 181 horsepower to 196 horsepower. The UX's 0 to 60 time should be reduced by roughly 2 seconds thanks to the additional power and more responsive transmission, which will also lessen the anxiety associated with passing and merging. However, the fuel economy figures are marginally better than those of the previous model year. The estimated combined fuel economy for the UX is 42 mph for all-wheel drive and 43 mph for front-wheel drive variants. These are some of the most impressive fuel efficiency numbers for an SUV bearing a luxury name. Rivals should take into account: the Mercedes-Benz GLA or GLB, BMW X1, Audi Q3, and Mercedes-Benz GX1 are models that resemble the UX. All four of these SUVs aren't available with hybrid powertrains, but they do have faster acceleration and more power. The Volvo XC40, Alfa Romeo Tonale, and Jaguar E-Pace are a few more compact luxury SUVs. One noteworthy feature of the Tonale is that it's a plug-in hybrid. Edmunds suggests which user experience. In its premium edition, we enjoy the UX. In addition to several great additions like a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, and a larger digital instrument panel, it is affordably priced. We would definitely add the wireless phone charger and the 12.3-inch infotainment system to that. Models of Lexus UX. There are 4 trim levels for the 2025 Lexus UX 300 Hours small luxury SUV: Base, Premium, F-Sport Design, and F-Sport Handling. All trim levels come with front-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive as an option. The hybrid drivetrain of every UX 300 Hours is built around a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. All-wheel drive UX add a second, smaller motor on the rear axle, whilst front-wheel drive variants only feature one electric motor. A total of 196 horsepower is rated for each drivetrain. For a summary of the most important standard and optional UX aspects, continue reading. Features of technology: improved navigation using cloud. Savor the state-of-the-art cloud navigation technology that Drive Connect provides. For continuous route assistance, it provides real-time traffic updates via Google's vast points of interest data and complete cloud connection. Voice-activated intelligent helper. Use simple voice commands to effortlessly handle a variety of features, including text messaging, weather forecasts, and navigation. Streamlined wireless combination. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can enjoy the ease of wireless connection and make seamless use of your smartphone's features while on the go. Features of safety. Preventive parking aid with autonomous braking. With the proactive intuitive parking assist with auto braking, park with confidence. This technology starts braking to help prevent or decrease the effect of collisions, in addition to warning you of objects close by and approaching vehicles. Rear cross traffic alert with blind spot monitor. A blind spot monitor, which improves your awareness of vehicles outside your direct line of sight, is now a standard feature on all models. The 2025 Lexus UX 300 Hours, which combines exquisite design with state-of-the-art technology, represents a critical turning point in the development of luxury crossovers. This model is priced $37,490 for the front-wheel drive version and $39,060 for the all-wheel drive option. It is made to accommodate a wide range of driving situations and preferences. Beyond the 300 hours, Lexus offers 3 different trim levels that further elevate customization: the refined premium, the athletic F Sport design, and the performance-focused F Sport handling. A Lexus UX 300 Hours will always precisely suit your driving needs and sense of style, because each trim delivers a different set of amenities and stylistic elements. The 2025 UX 300 Hours, with its smooth transition from utility to luxury, is proof of Lexus' dedication to quality and innovation in the automotive industry. Pricing and which one to buy. Starting at $37,490, the 2.0 liters i4 196 horsepower hybrid gas engine, 2-speed CVT transmission with overdrive, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, ABS, side seat-mounted airbags, curtain first and second row overhead airbags, rear side impact airbag, driver and passenger knee airbag, airbag occupancy sensor, automatic air conditioning, 18 aluminum wheels, cruise control, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, DRCC, adaptive, ABS and driveline traction control, and electronic stability are among the standard features of the Lexus UX 300 Hours base. With the help of cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Lexus UX skillfully combines the strength of an SUV with the handling ability of a hatchback to suit your active lifestyle. Only the Lexus UX 300 Hours is available with an all-wheel drive system and a potent, fuel-efficient, hybrid electric powertrain. With its smooth exterior and interior design, as well as a hood that seamlessly flows into a prominent instrument panel, which is available with trim inspired by traditional Japanese washi paper, the 2025 Lexus UX 300 Hours redefines luxury. Modern technology and thoughtfully positioned controls make the cockpit, which is centered around the driver, an enhanced driving experience. Choose black birch or palomino Nulux seating to add flair to the roomy, opulent cabin that can hold up to 5 people. In the automotive world, Lexus's dedication to luxury, innovation, and sustainability is best demonstrated by the 2025 Lexus UX 300 Hours. With 4 different specification options, this compact SUV is priced competitively, starting at $37,490, and can accommodate a wide range of driving tastes. With its sophisticated appearance, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge technology, the UX 300 Hours is set to completely redefine what it means to drive a premium crossover.